Experiencing problems with international roaming on Spectrum Mobile, specifically with day passes or APN settings? You're not alone. Many users encounter issues activating day passes or maintaining a stable data connection while abroad. These problems often stem from APN misconfigurations. Spectrum Mobile relies on Verizon's network for international roaming, and incorrect APN settings can prevent your device from connecting. A day pass is a prepaid add-on for $10 a day that gives you unlimited data, though speeds may be throttled after 2 gigabits. To troubleshoot, ensure roaming is enabled in your phone's settings and that you've activated the day pass via the Spectrum app or by texting roam. Start by understanding that if your day pass won't activate or data isn't working, the most likely cause is an APN issue or device incompatibility, especially with non-Verizon branded devices. As of September 2025, issues persist, but Spectrum has released app updates to resolve these issues. To fix Spectrum Mobile international roaming, start by manually configuring your APN settings in your phone's mobile network settings. The correct APN is usually VZ-Winternet, with a blank username and password. On iPhones, access cellular settings to enter the APN details in the same way. If problems persist, try cycling airplane mode or restarting your device. This can reset network connections. For app-related APN fixes, use the latest Spectrum Mobile app. If issues continue, contact Spectrum Support, which now includes AI-powered chatbots. According to user studies, manual APN tweaks solve around 80% of data roaming issues. Check device compatibility, as Verizon-branded SIMs often resolve APN errors. Be aware of potential Verizon network issues, like the Mexico roaming outage of March 2025 that resulted in misconfiguration of APN settings.